Welcome to GCRD Technologies. Advantages and drawbacks of manual testing. First, I think all of you familiar with this one. What is software testing? Software testing is a process. Software testing is not a single activity. Set of activities means it is a process of evaluating a software application whether it is working or not with respect to its requirements. Okay. Next, how to perform software testing. I think all of you familiar with this one. Nowadays, we can conduct software testing in two ways. One is traditional manual testing. Another is automated testing or test automation. See, what is manual testing? Testing computer software manually, testing computer software manually without using any test tool. Next, important tasks in manual testing. Testers derive test scenarios from requirements. If it is sequential model like V model or waterfall model. Next, if it is agile model, agile like incremental model, user stories. Testers derive test scenarios from requirements or user stories. Next, documenting test cases and collecting test data. Next, executing test cases. Next, finding defects, defect reporting, defect tracking. Next, confirmation testing means regression testing, and closing test cycle. That is the process of manual testing. What is the process of automated testing or test automation? See, first, what is automated testing or test automation? Testing computer software using any software tool like UFTR, RFTR, Selenium, etc. Next, important tasks in automated testing. Testers generate tests or test scripts using any test tool. Next, executing test cases. Tool can execute your test scripts or test cases without user interaction and provides test results. Next, testers analyze test result and send reports if they find any deviation from requirements. In automated testing, important task is creating test scripts or test cases. Execution, tool can execute test cases quickly. Okay. Next, come to mainstream. What are the advantages of manual testing? Today, our focus on manual testing. First one, no environment limitations. Irrespective of the AUT environment, AUT, application under test. Irrespective of the AUT environment, we can use manual testing process. If it is test automation, so many environment limitations. For example, UFT doesn't support Linux operating system. Suppose our application deployed on Linux operating environment. We can't use UFT for automated testing. Next, Selenium doesn't support desktop application automation. If it is manual testing, you can conduct testing on Windows environment or Linux environment, desktop application or web application or any other application. No environment limitation. It may take time, efforts, but no environment limitations. Second one, programming knowledge is not required. Say, in manual testing, understanding requirements, documenting test cases, executing test cases, next, reporting defects are the important tasks. For conducting or for performing these tasks, no programming knowledge is required. Say, documentation skills, analytical skills, next, reasoning skills, enough. No programming knowledge required. Next, uh, third one, recommendable for dynamically changing GUI designs. Suppose our application graphical user interface is changing dynamically, that time manual testing is flexible. Next, important one, recommendable for usability testing. Say, using automated test tool, usability testing is impractical. Usability testing is non-functional test type. It is impractical in automated testing. Why? Tool is software. Tool can't judge look and feel aspects. Human user can judge look and feel aspects. So for usability testing, manual testing is recommendable. Next, manual testing allows for human observation, which may be more useful to find potential defects. Say, in manual testing, more human observation. In automated testing, test execution time, tool observation only, tester observation not mandatory. So if it is manual testing, you can find more potential defects. Next, come to last topic, drawbacks of manual testing. Drawbacks. So many drawbacks are there for manual testing. First one, manual testing requires more time and resources. Say, covering all areas of application require more test cases. Creating all possible test cases and executing test cases takes more time. If it is automation, test tool can execute tests quickly. Next, less accuracy. Human users means testers may make mistakes. So we can't expect more accuracy in manual testing. If it is automated testing, if we provide the correct logic, then test tool can provide correct output every time. Next, performance testing is impractical in manual testing. See, performance testing. Performance testing means verifying the performance of application. Organizing thousands of machines means computers, and human users is impractical. If it is test automation, we can create thousands of virtual users, and using 3 or 4 computers, we can apply the load and test the performance of application. Next, comparing large amount of data is impractical. Say, comparing two databases that have thousands of records is impractical, but it is very easy in automated testing. Test tool is software. If you provide correct logic, tool can execute and provide correct output every time. Next, processing change requests during software maintenance takes more time. Next, batch testing is possible, but for each test case execution, human user interaction is mandatory, so it takes more time and efforts. Batch testing means executing series of tests or group of tests. In batch testing, for every test case execution, user means tester interaction is mandatory. If it is automated testing, test tool can execute group of test cases without human user interaction. That is the advantage of automated testing, drawback of manual testing. Next, GUI object size difference and color combinations, etc., are not easy to find in manual testing. Next, manual test case scope is very less than automated test case. In manual testing, test case scope is very limited. Why? Say in manual test case, we may insert 1 or 2 verification points only. We can't insert 10, 20 verification points in a test case. Why? Human user can't concentrate on more verification points at a time. If it is test automation, test tool is software, can concentrate on multiple verification points at a time. You can insert 10 conditional statements, 10 loop statements in your test case. Tool is software, it can concentrate. Next, executing same test cases again and again is time-taking process as well as tedious. Say, reusability of test cases is impractical, possible, but for every time user interaction is required for test execution in manual testing. See, sometimes we need to execute same test cases using multiple sets of test data. For each test iteration, user interaction is mandatory. In test automation, using test data file, we can conduct data-driven testing. Tool can execute test case number of iterations without human user interactions. Means in manual testing, reusing test cases, repetitive test execution, not impractical, possible, but for every iteration, for every execution, human user interaction is mandatory. If it is automated testing, tool can execute quickly every time. Next, last one. For every release, you must return the same set of tests, which can be tiresome. Say, we need to execute sanity test cases and regression test cases on every modified build. It takes more time. In automated testing, once we create sanity tests, then tool can execute these tests multiple times quickly. Thank you.